Manipuri film amadi theater gi lamda matam sangna kathoktuna laklibi lamdam sigi saknarabi artist RK Hemapati Devida Thangzam Birat Chandra and Thangzam Ongbi Maipakpi Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award Kumja English Singaniga Kungataru Pidunai Kai Kumnaba Utlagani Londona National Youth Cultural Award Kumja English Singaniga Kungataru Fanglagadaba Manipur Assam amadi Tripura gi naha artist mapan gi mingsu laktokre Every singer dudi Mangka Mayang Lambam folk singer Manipur, Vanita Lystrom folk performer Manipur, Sunya Samjit Sabam film actor Manipur, Asa Singha Manipuri dance Tripura, Zaya Kundrakpam classical Manipuri dance Manipur, Th Sanjana Singha folk dance Assam, Songthu James Quering theater Manipur, Mutum Heroic martial arts Manipur amadi Loitongbam Balasiam public performance award singer si lakliba February tara mathoigi nungthilpung anitaba matamda Palace Auditorium Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS in Father Pangthokadriba second National Youth Cultural Festival Kumja English Kungatruk Houdoklagani Tharamda Khotsinagani